Hi Libra! Welcome back sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader. So gagawin natin collective Libra ang inyong monthly Tagalog reading for the month ng July 2024 and maaari itong mag-resonate on to the next 3 to 6 months. Ang current timestamp natin ay July 6, 2024 at 2:53 PM, mag-aalas 3 ng hapon. Okay, Libra? Remember na ito ay collective reading, so hindi to personal reading. So, kung hindi kayo mag-resonate dito, it only means na ang reading ay hindi para sa inyo and I might tap into your energy next month. So, balik na lang kayo to check your next month Tagalog reading. Okay? And sa mga new viewers natin, welcome po sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Sa mga current subscribers, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta ng inyong mga monthly Tagalog readings. Okay? So, collective Libra, isa-shuffle lang uli natin yung mga cards in front of the camera and I'll see you guys in few seconds. Okay? Hi Libra, so welcome back. Simulan na natin ang inyong monthly Tagalog reading for the month of July 2023. At ipapakita ko lang yung deck na gagamitin natin ngayon ay ang Soul Truth Self-Awareness card deck. So it's more like self-awareness guide for you. So may mga daily questions to that will transform your life for July and on to the next 3 to 6 months. Okay? Kakat lang natin 3 times and another bago natin kunin ang card nyo. Okay. Are you ready? Libra. So, first card, nandyan. Second, ang daming questions, Libra, no? Third, okay. Sa fourth, pang-5, pang-6, at sa gitna. Okay. Let's start on your reading, Libra. No? Sa first card, at sabi, ito yung kailangan mong i-release, Libra. Ang tanong, what if it is not true? What if it isn't true? So, may mga doubts tayo lately, no? So, we have to admit na may mga confusions, may mga tanong tayo or mystery na in need of answer, no? Hindi natin alam kung ano yung totoo. Although maybe, na sa gut feeling mo lately na something is not right, something dito is may mali o hindi totoo. Okay? Or maybe nagkakaroon tayo ng doubts or hesitations din sa mga situation and connections lately or in general sa buhay natin, no? It's normal na magkaroon tayo ng doubt, okay? It's normal na maging inquisitive tayo. So, sa release position to, maybe ito yung panahon na dapat i-let go natin ang ating mga pag-aalinlangan, no, and yung mga doubts and mga fears and confusion natin. O maaari din na it's about time na kung masyado tayong in denial to see the situation for what it is, no, it's okay to question. Yun ang sinasabi dito. Okay? Huwag tayo maging parang take things at face value, no? Okay lang maging inquisitive, okay lang na questionin, okay lang na mas maging vigilant tayo or parang critical, no? Not really critical, or it's okay to question things then from time to time. So, choose whatever resonates here. Okay, Libra? Now, sa second position mo, yung kailangan mo daw ipagpatuloy, no? Where can I ask for more help in my life? So, reflection, no? Tingnan mo yung areas sa buhay mo na kailangan ng improvement o ng tulong. Yun yung kailangan mo ipagpatuloy. I-re-evaluate natin yung situation and condition natin or yung state of being or yung situation mo right now. Okay? Ano yung mga areas sa buhay mo, like sa work or love life ba? Baka nangangailangan niya ng tulong sa ibang tao, nagkangailangan ng guidance. Sa family situation mo ba, nangangailangan ka ng moral support, ng more understanding sa mga family members and even sa friends natin, no? Baka lately we lost friends kasi may fallout, or maaari din na ito yung area na kailangan natin improve, no? We have to make quality friends, okay? So where can I ask for more help in my life? So i-evaluate natin ano yung mga situations na maaaring nangangailangan na tayo ng tulong or ng assessment or review, okay? Now, sa third mo, sa manifestation position, ang sabi dito, Libra, how can I surrender even more in this moment? So, at this point, no, sa manifestation mo, maaaring nag-surrender na tayo, may mga bagay na tayong nilet go at pinakawalan. Hindi na natin tinatry na magkaroon ng, o i-control yung end result, or kung ano yung mangyayari. Hindi na natin na-anticipate. We completely let go. But there is this question pa, have you already completely let go talaga? Okay, it's one thing na we have surrendered, baka may mga lingering energies pa na we have not completely surrendered sa Panginoon, sa tadhana na lang, 'di ba? So, try to sa mga manifestations natin, try na wag nating i-hold back. Completely surrender, completely let go na. Manifest it, and then try to feel light-hearted about it na okay ka kung hindi man mangyari. And okay ka rin, grateful kung mangyari, 'di ba? So, how can I surrender even more in this moment, at this time, okay? Moving forward, okay? I hope it resonates. Kasi ako rin, when I said na parang may mga manifestations ako na okay lang ako na hindi mangyari, no? Parang I completely let go. But at the same time, parang may mga residual energy kasi ako na parang nag-e-expect ako. So, itry natin tanggalin yung expectations, no? Kasi para mas magaan at mas madali yung pag-flow ng mga graces and blessings na dapat pumasok sa atin. Okay? Hindi natin nabablock kasi parang we're trying to anticipate yung gusto mong outcome, no? May expectation, yes, but siguro forget about it, no? I-enjoy mo yung buhay mo, and then at one point, no, pag dineliver ng universe, hindi mo na malayan, nandiyan na pala. Okay? Now, at position 4, mga external energies, Libra. Ang sabi dito, name all the things you love. Okay. Ito yung external energies mo na maaari na yung nasa surrounding mo ngayon, no, maaaring makapagpaalala sa'yo or matrigger ka. Ito bang situations, no? Yung mga external energies, normally kasi yung mga people na nakakasalamuha mo, yung mga situation na nakaka-encounter mo araw-araw, no? Maaari na it will remind you, or they will remind you ng mga bagay na gusto mong gawin, na nag-enjoy kang gawin. Okay, they could be influencing you at one point na, oo nga, no, gusto ko tong gawin, matagal ko nang hindi nagagawa. A hobby, an interest you need to pick up. Or maybe rin, baka maging trigger sila, let's say, ito hindi ko gusto. Sa situation na to, sa tao na to, this is what I want. So, may ganun kang realization for the month of July on to the next 3 to 6 months. Name all the things you love. Huwag mong kakalimutan or maaaring maipaalala nila sa'yo yung mga bagay na mahal mo or nagugustuhan mong gawin. Okay? What you love about the person or the situation then. If parang, let's say at one point, inis tayo sa situation, inis tayo dun sa tao. For example, could be na maaaring tingnan natin yung mga positive things, no? It's about perception. Baguhin natin yung perception natin. Okay. Hindi ko gusto yung trabaho na to, but I'm thankful that I have a job. Kasi maraming jobless. You know, ika-counter lang natin. Name all the things you love when something goes wrong. Yun din. Pwedeng ganun. Okay, Libra? Now, at position 5, ito yung maaari ka doon mag-benefit, no? Sa sarili mo. Okay? Ngayon ang sabi, where can I create more space? Oh, okay. Ito yung magbe-benefit ka. Kung feeling mo ba parang masyado ng tight or compact ang situation mo with this person, or masyado tayong nasasakal, or masyado tayong nai-stress, sinasabi, create more space para sa'yo. Okay? Create more space. It could also be sacred space para sa'yo. To protect yourself, no? Pag kailangan mo mag-retreat, saan ka babalik? So, create a crib, no? Or maybe sa bedroom mo, pagandahin mo, make it parang mas intimate para sa'yo, no? Na doon mo nagagawa yung mga bagay para makapag-recharge ka. So, create more space for yourself. Okay? Something like parang a refuge, or magre-retreat ka, doon ka pupunta. Or reinvent yung mga ginagawa mong hobby. Like, let's say, may favorite hangout place ka. Pwede rin pumunta ka doon. But if it's become too crowded na, or masyado nang toxic kasi marami nang pumupunta doon, for example, then find a new sanctuary, kumbaga. Okay? Or it could be na maybe yung crowd na, or friends na you don't feel suddenly belong, or na ano ka, na you felt like parang it's too much of parang pakikisama or too much mingling na you need some time for yourself din. So create more space, no? Create room for creativity mo, create room para mapag-isa ka, no? Your sanctuary, like I said, yung refuge. Or create more space para sa isang bagay na gusto mo na feeling mo kailangan mag-grow or mag-expand. Okay, let's say sa skills mo, create more space sa learning. Create more space sa habit of learning or sa habit na nagagawa mo yung mga hobbies na gusto mo. Name all the things you love. Okay? Whatever it is, magre-resonate ka dito. Ano ba to? How can you create more space sa buhay mo? Okay? Now, sa new beginnings mo naman, Libra, ang sabi dito, what am I looking for outside myself that's already within me? Okay, is there anything sa new beginnings mo, ang sinasabi kasi dyan, lahat ng new beginnings mo is already within you, alam mo, okay? So, bakit mo hinahanap yung something na that's inside you? Maybe, sa new beginning mo, you want something, pero is that really what you want, diba? Or yun yung gusto ng ibang tao para sa'yo. Okay, kaya ang sinasabi dito, what am I looking for outside? Ano pa yung hinahanap mo sa labas? Sa 3D mo, sa reality mo, sa nakikita mo ngayon, sa napipicture out mo ngayon, na nandyan na rin naman sa kalooban mo. So, what's in your heart and in your thinking, di ba? Na manifest mo na yan outside. So, everything na nakikita mo ngayon, it is your own doing. Okay? Good or bad. Yan yung napipicture out natin, na yung nakikita mo, it's because, yan, lahat, sabi nga, is a reflection of what's inside you, yung feelings and thoughts mo. So, what am I looking for outside myself that's already within me? So, if you don't like what you see, kung di mo nagugustuhan nakikita, baguhin mo from within. Okay? Kung gusto mo, hindi mo nakikita tong tao na to, hindi mo gusto yung ugali ng tao na to, balik, i-revision mo na think more positive, no? Create more space to see people and situation in a good light, no? Like, yung sabi ko sa yung perspective, no? What if it isn't true, no? Yung mga perspective or confusion natin, we make up lang naman, no? Parang that it become the belief na, no? So, pag naging belief mo na yan, yun ang mangyayari kasi. So, try to change yung mga beliefs mo and feelings about situation and people to, if you want to magbago kung ano yung nasa external, okay? Now, at the center, Libra, sabi dito, ito yung kailangan mong matutunan or hindi mo pa natututunan or natutunan mo recently. Okay? How can I deepen my trust right now? So, may trust issues tayo. Yes, it's normal. I have trust issue with someone at the moment. No, it's normal na we don't trust them kasi they give us validation para hindi pagkatiwala ng isang situation or connection or people, diba, around us, no? So, ang issue dito is that paano mo mapapalalim yung pagtitiwala in general, no, sa mga situations and connections mo. Maybe you need more evidence, you need more proof na they can be trusted, that it can be trusted. So, you learn from the mistakes of the past na baka masyadong too trusting kahit na alam mo yon, too trusting tayo na na-break yung trust natin. So, medyo hindi ganon tayo katiwala sa mga situation, sa sarili din natin, even, di ba, or sa ibang tao. And that's okay, but to deepen the trust, then they need to prove it, di ba? Okay, so I hope it rings a bell para sa inyo, Libra. So, yan yung reading nyo for the month of July 2024, July 6 today at 3:08 p.m. And sana nag-resonate kayo, Libra, sa inyong general current energy check-in. Maring mag-resonate to onto that next 3 to 6 months, like I said. And if it doesn't resonate, I will tap into your energy next time. See you on your next month Tagalog reading, Libra. And God bless. Mahal ko kayo. Bye!